Today I want to test the Bluetooth microphone on this Bluetooth device that we have right now. It's quite solid. It's a rotating thing like this one. Good. There's a sound quality here. So you just find out. So just, yeah. Okay guys, it's me Sean again, and we're going to put the memory card on my nice simple dashcam video or dashcam camera of our vehicle. I'm testing also the farthest thing in my ear, which is the Bluetooth. And let's go. We'll take you down, and we'll see the kids playing some things. And here goes. I can see them playing around, playing around things like that. I should wear a cell phone, camera, going around, going around backwards. And today is very summery. It's very hot. Oh my God! Look at that. My dashcam video went hanging like that, and it went off. And the sticky one, the suction device or suction stickiness went out because of the heat. Oh, it's supposed to be putting the memory card here, but it went out. Okay, well, put it back. Put it back. Just so much heat now, and we have to get out of this heat. I just want to put the memory card there, just like it's on the side. Okay, that should be it. And plug in the wires. I guess. Oh my God, my nose will be bleeding to death with so much heat. Okay, so much so. We'll fast it later. And it's so hot, but I'm the giant one. Look at the giant here. Yes. Stop playing this. Well, we will not teach you anything. You too. There's so much info there. You're just scrolling. Okay. Oh man. That's a short video putting in the memory card of the dash cam. And it's been summit. Summer. Hot summer day. How's my camera? I think it's not that good, I guess. And the sound quality is also good. Alright. And what I have here is a dash cam before. Now I have like a selfie thing here that you can have it running all day while I drive and then have a selfie cam every time, but it has a limited capacity of the memory card because it only has 32 gigabyte storage, and this device is recording an enormous quality files, but when you play it back, it's not that good. Okay, I put it here in like PVC storage, like you have here in the sockets of your house. It's what's beneath these sockets, and I put it, glued the screen there, screwed the camera so you can have this like a selfie camera with the screen, but the screen is no more. So It's useless. And also the buttons, I tried to install it here on this back so I can push on and off the record, but unfortunately the the wires it's connecting it was worn out when I was dismantling it from the original dashcam rear view video. And this is the speaker, and I put the motherboard here with the microphone, the memory card slot. There's the memory card slot here. The extra jack for the second camera, the back camera here, and the power supply that's you can plug it in your USB car, in USB lighter of the of your car. But now I'm testing it in a power bank USB. It's old style USB, mini USB, micro USB. Now it's mini USB. I think it's for you to find out. Comments down below. And what's inside is the an empty container also. What's inside is the little battery that's not functioning anymore. Some wires that's connected to the camera and the motherboard, the USB slot and everything on it, what you call it, right? Yeah, that's the back, the sides, and this DIY dash cam. It is created as a selfie cam. It's supposed to be a touch screen, but unfortunately, I broke the screen that touches. Now it's crap. But anyway, for you to target it, uh, so you'll know if the camera is pointing on the right direction and it's leveled. Okay, so that's the thing here that I made, and I will install it in the dashboard or cell phone holder of our vehicle, so it can be tested. Actually, I already tested it, and so here are some videos that's pointing on my face while I'm driving, and yeah, this also there's an also uh, night video sample of it, but it's not good, but it'll do. You can record up to maybe 1 hour and a half, but if you increase the capacity of the memory card, it might be going to 2 hours to 3 hours. But for now, I don't have any available 128, 64, or gigabyte, or until 128 or 256 memory card. And for now, I'm only recording on a 32 gigabyte. Yeah, okay. So that's my DIY dash selfie cam for our car. Yeah, these are sample videos. It's coming up on one screen in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.